In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document on Pandadoc. Whether you're new to Pandadoc or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire signing process seamlessly. Let's dive right in and make document signing a breeze. First things first, if you've received a document that needs your signature, the journey begins in your email inbox. Open up the email you received from Pandadoc. Within the email, you'll find a button labeled Open the Document. Go ahead and click on that button. What it'll do is open up the document directly in your web browser, setting you up for the next steps. Once the document is opened, take a moment to review its content thoroughly. It's crucial to read through everything to ensure that all details are correct and that you comprehend what's being asked. You wouldn't want to sign anything without being fully in the loop, right? Now, to start the signing process, look for a button typically labeled Start. Clicking this button will guide you to the areas you need to attend to in the document. Alternatively, if you have a clear idea of where your signature is needed, you can head directly to the field marked Signature. At this point, you'll have some options on how you'd like to sign. The first option is to type your name. Typing can be particularly convenient if you're pressed for time or don't have access to a stylus or mouse for drawing. Simply type your name into the signature field and move on. The second option lets you draw your signature. If you prefer your signature to have a personal touch, using your mouse or a touchpad can give you that authentic handwritten feel. Just click into the space and start drawing your signature. Your third option is to upload an image of your signature. If you have a pre-drawn signature saved on your computer, this can be the fastest way to insert it. Click on the upload option, select your image file and upload it into the document. Now that you've completed the signing process, your last step is essential. Look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll usually find a button that says Finish or Complete. Click on that and voila. Your signature is now part of the document, and there you have it. You've successfully signed a document on Pandadoc. Remember, the whole process ensures that your digital signature is secure and legally binding, just as good as a pen on paper. Keep these steps in mind and you'll be signing documents with ease and confidence whenever the need arises. Happy signing!